Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious 2-ingredient pancake, which is cream cheese and eggs. First we'll crack 4 eggs into the bowl. This is such a fast and delicious easy breakfast to make for you and your loved one. I will use electric hand mixer to mix or to beat the eggs until all the white and the yellow are become well incorporated. Then we'll add in the cream cheese. Here I will add in 4 ounces or 113 grams of softened cream cheese, and then we'll beat that up. If you leave it in the fridge, you can take it out and let it stay at room temperature for at least 1 to 2 hours before you make this, so you can defrost in the microwave. Which way is better for you, go ahead and do that. So now we'll beat both of the ingredients until they are very well combined and smooth. I will use a spatula to scrape all the one on the side. Look at that, that is smooth, and that is what we're looking for. I like it to be more smoother than this, so I will beat it for another 30 seconds or so. So now I will turn on heat on medium low, and then brush a little bit of coconut oil, or you can use cooking spray to spray the pan. And then I will add in about a 1/4 cup batter in there, and then just let it settle down. Once you see all the edges are set and brownie, you can flip it open and then cook the other side, and that is what it looks like. Just look like a real pancake. Now you just brush the pan again and then add another 1/4 cup or so of the batter. Just let that cook for about a minute or two. When you see it set down like that, just turn it over, flip it over. See how beautiful that is. Wow, look at that. Just continue the process until you're all done with your pancake batter, and then we'll come back. If you enjoyed my video so far, please like, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you won't miss any new upcoming video when I upload it. And watch my video until the end. That would help my channel grow so much. I am greatly appreciate all your support. For this recipe, I made about 10 to 12 pancakes just like this. So look at that. I ate with strawberry, blueberry, and some plant-based sausages. I will topping with some syrup in there. You can use any sweetener or syrup of your choice. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. This only 2-ingredient pancake, guys. With strawberry, this is a plant-based sausage. It's so good. You know how easy is that, right? Look at that, how beautiful that is. This is one of my favorite pancakes from now on. It's low carb, only made from 2 ingredients such as cream cheese and eggs. Oh wow, look at that. So delicious. And this also become one of my kid favorite breakfast as well. They asked me to make this every day, every morning. Oh my goodness. It's just like scrambled egg with butter or cheese. So delicious. You have to try it. I guarantee you will love it and it will become one of your favorite breakfasts as well. If you enjoyed my recipe, don't forget to check my other breakfast recipe right here. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.